With a lightweight, comfortable design, adaptive AI noise cancelling, high-res audio support, compatible with all devices and water resistance. The Baseus Bowie MC1 Pro are a great pair of affordable open-ear earbuds. So let's check it out what they can do. Here we have the Bowie MC1 Pro from Baseus. The previous model, the MC1, had good sales on Amazon. After its success, Baseus released its updated version, the MC1 Pro, offering even better sound quality and comfort, which I will demonstrate in this video. These aren't your regular earbuds. These open earbuds are incredibly lightweight, just 5.2 grams. I'm wearing them clipped on both ears, and their compact size makes them so light that they are comfortable to wear even for long periods. In fact, 2 days ago, I wore them for around 6 hours straight, and honestly, I didn't feel any heavier or pain onto my ears. Right now, I'm listening to loud music outdoors and I can still hear the ambient sounds around me, which is much safer. That's exactly the purpose of open earbuds, keeping you aware of surroundings while enjoying your music. And I have discovered that we used to wear the open earbuds like this, right? So you can hear the surroundings and you can still hear the music. But if you move this to this side, I think this is perfect for doing gym. And for this, you can hear loud music, but you cannot hear the surroundings. So you can try according to your needs. Let me show you the packaging of the Baseus Bowie MC1 Pro. On the box, it mentioned high-res audio support. You can pause and check that out if you would like. The box looks premium, perfect for gifting. Inside we get a user manual and guidebook, some fun stickers, a Type-C charging cable, and the earbuds with their case. That's everything included in the box. The MC1 Pro is rated IP57 waterproof, which means you don't have to worry about sweat or rain. You can even take phone calls while running or dancing. A proper review would not be complete without testing the call and music quality, so I will show you that in this video. Hey, can you hear me clearly? I'm just testing out these new earbuds, the Baseus Bowie MC1 Pro. Just wanted to check out how the mic sounds. Is there any echo, background noise, or maybe some weird delay or crackling? I'm actually walking around a bit right now to see if the connection stays stable and if my voice still comes through clearly. Let me know what you think. Share your thoughts in the comments.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise.
The Bowie MC1 Pro features a shiny metal strip on the front and a flexible C-bridge that adapts to different ear shapes. Baseus first introduced the cloud airbag in the original MC1, and it's still here in the MC1 Pro. This airbag adjusts to different ear shapes and provide a comfortable pressure-free fit made of soft silicone. It also feels great on the skin, very gentle and skin-friendly. Let me show you. I'm going to shake my head slowly and you will see the result. Now I'm going to shake my head at medium speed. Okay, and now at maximum speed. Oh, you can see these earbuds stay firmly in place. Even if I am moving them with my fingers, they don't fall off. That makes them perfect for outdoor activities or sports as part of your daily life. Because they go around the side of your ear, and they are also very comfortable when wearing glasses. And the C-bridge design helps them adopt the different ear shapes. These earbuds come with dual mics and AI-powered DN adaptive noise cancellation for clear calls. And here's something I really like, the physical control buttons. Unlike regular earbuds where your music pauses or skips because you accidentally touch them while adjusting your hair or glasses, these have a tiny intentional button. Single press for pause or play, double press next track or previous track, press and hold, adjust volume. You can even use them to activate your voice assistants, which I find very useful for making hands-free calls while running. You also get full customization through the Baseus app, which makes things even more convenient. This app has an EQ mode where you can choose from different options like jazz, deep, bass, rock, classic and others. And even the option to create your own custom EQ using the 8-band equalizer. They also support connections with 2 Bluetooth devices, so you can seamlessly switch between different devices like a phone and a laptop. They even have a special low latency mode to keep everything in sync when you are watching media. In terms of audio performance, the MC1 Pro features a 2PC and LPC 3 layers composite trigram, 3 magnet structures, a 10.8mm driver. Altogether, it delivers clear highs, good mids and strong bass. Now let's talk battery life. The earbuds last up to 9 hours on a single charge. A 10 minutes of fast charging provides 2 to 3 hours of usage. With a charging case, you get a total of 40 hours. The case takes around 3 hours to fully charge and can recharge the earbuds around 4 to 5 times. The case itself has a magnetic lid that closes securely, an LED indicator on the front, a USB-C charging port on the bottom. The Baseus Bowie MC1 Pro comes in 3 colors, black, white and titanium, priced at $79.99. They are available now on Amazon. Just click the first link in the video description. If you feel like the MC1 Pro or MC1 are a bit over your budget, don't worry, I have got a budget-friendly option for you, the Baseus BC1. Let me do a quick unboxing so you can see what it offers. The Baseus BC1 is another great pair of entry-level earbuds, priced at $39. They offer up to 7 hours of playtime, 15 minutes quick charge, a case that takes 2 hours to fully charge, and gives you 38 hours total. Bluetooth 6.0, super bass, 12mm drivers, 4 mic AI ENC for clear calls. You can also customize the controls through the Baseus app. Just keep in mind there's no high-res audio on this model. These buds are perfect for bass lovers, active users and especially younger users with a tighter budget. Alright guys, let me know your thoughts about these earbuds in the comments below. I hope this helped you decide which one suits your needs best. Don't forget to like, subscribe and support for more tech content. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.